Dramatic entrance. That's what she said. Hey up, people of the interwebs. What's going on there? Today is Saturday, and we've got a bit of a special guest coming today to join the. Will you stop faffing about with your exposure? Just do that there. Is it still doing it? Still doing it. What's going on? Oh, that's because I've pressed wrong button. Right, this one. There we go. Let's try that again. Dramatic entrance. Dramatic. So we've got a bit of a guest coming over today. Oh dear. Excuse me. Rob from Beards and Bangers is on his way over today. We're going to do a bit of filming today, and then off to the motorist tomorrow. So that should be fun. I have literally not just took Henrietta out for a drive and realised that the exhaust bracket that holds the back box on has rusted into two pieces, and I've not gone and just got a base string and tied that round the bracket, so hopefully it don't fall off today. I've not done that. That's not something I'd do. But apart from that, we're going alright. It's not going too bad today. So let's see what the day brings. Oh, look what's going on here. Look, the cracked spotlight is now no longer attached to Henrietta, which can only mean one thing. Henrietta must have a new spotlight in. And it took me about 15 minutes to tint this one and put it in, so definitely gets better with practice. And the one that I've put in is not as bad as that one, tint wise, so it's I've done it a bit better, I think, so you'll have to have a look one day.